Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the product image list element. The product image list element is a mini element which shows all the images for a product on the page. In order to use the product image list element, we first need to insert a product element into the page. By default, the product element has some mini elements inside a product image, product title, product price, and product cut button. Let me insert a product image list element into the product and select the product to show. It looks like this. Let's walk through the options the product image list element has to offer. First, we have product option that we can select the product to show. Then we can change the layout for the element to slide, so we can slide it like this or to flat. We can set the column number. By default, there are 4 columns, but let me change it to 2 columns. Then we can adjust the gap between the items, like this. And if you want to support videos in the image list element, you can toggle this on. We can adjust image border radius and apply a filter for the images to blur, grayscale, hue rotate, invert, sepia, adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.